Zcash is likely to gain 5.3% by May 14, 30 rates shows. Let's kick off with a short check on today's activity. At this hour, Zcash is down 0.5% over the last 24 hours and holding near $557.61. Let's move into expert prediction mode. Gov Capital Collector sees the price pulling back to $556.29 by tomorrow, a potential drop of 0.2%. CoinCodex sees potential for Zcash to rise to $578.99, an increase close to 3.8%. According to Traders Union, it might trend upward toward $581.57, an estimated gain near 4.3%. A different outlook from 30 rates expects Zcash could advance to $587, a rise estimated near 5.3%. And to wrap up, coin price forecast sees the asset reaching $591 by May 14 with 6% upside. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a decline of 0.2% and a rise of 6%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, coin price forecast comes out on top with 6% boost in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $2 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, Gov Capital Collector is ahead with a 99.2% chance of success. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. Consensus calculations suggest Zcash may sit near $578.97. So let's go step by step. Consensus calculations point to a 3.8% rise by tomorrow. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 3.8%. For a 1,000 position, this might point to a possible increase of $38. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Zcash stands close to 95.6%. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. Gov Capital Collector anticipates Zcash falling. CoinCodex believes the price is set to climb further. Also, Traders Union expects Zcash to move higher over the coming days. A bearish forecast is made by 30 rates, expecting losses. Coin price forecast highlights that Zcash could head higher. The consensus stance presents Zcash with an upward-leaning trajectory over this short-term horizon. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for Zcash. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. Ultimately, the final settlement was $570.87. With this result, the majority were right about the move. Closest match to the market came from coin price forecast. Time to spell it out. In the end, just one prediction was inside the daily range. Speaking of ROI, all forecasts turned positive and crypto predictions stood out. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. In today's review, crypto predictions presented 95.4% forecast probability, accuracy, and a return of 3.9%. See if you can spot which analyst handled it best this time. Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between Zcash and other cryptocurrencies. Zcash holds the leading position in forecasted returns, standing at 3.8%. For now, we compare only 5 coins, and a wider performance comparison of many cryptocurrencies is now live on my website. You've watched it all, thank you. If you found it useful, drop a like before you leave. Have a good day ahead.